All right, Mr. Williams, this is your 2005 Nissan Xterra. You've got the transmission completely disassembled and inspected. Again, as you know, cause of failure was water and coolant in the transmission from a ruptured radiator. And if you look at the bottom of the page, you can see where the fluid, it's like almost strawberry soda pop. There's two magnets in the bottom of the pan, and that's the metal, some of the metal coming off the pan. Just wiping that on the clean aluminum surface so you can see how dark that metal is and how thick it is. That's coming from the torque converter. Torque converter is your power transfer from the engine to the wheels, and inside the torque converter there's a clutch, and so that clutch will be emulsified and the line will be coming off of that. We've also got some additional metal in the pan. Looks like some brass as well, and so that was the beginning of the transmission failure, was the lack of lubrication. You can see some of the water inside the transmission as well, and fluids. As a result, all the clutch linings have gotten hot, started to overheat, but all the friction clutches, this set here, second set, third set, this fourth set, and fifth set, you see how dark and charcoal glossy the clutches are returned from extreme overheating, and all those linings will begin to lift off and completely be down to metal. So we've got to replace all of the clutches. Those are included in the master rebuild kit. We also have a number of pistons inside the clutch drum assemblies. Pistons are rubber pistons that hold pressure and apply the clutches. All the rubber gets destroyed as well, so we have to replace that. There's another piston inside this drum. You can already see where it's already starting to bubble up all the way around. Same thing happens on the gaskets inside the valve body assembly. This valve body right here has to be completely replaced. That's got all your electronic solenoids all the way down the side here. These are all solenoids, and then it's got the transmission control module, which is the electronic computer for the transmission. And so we're going to have to replace that valve body assembly, and we'll have to buy a brand new one with all the solenoids and the transmission control module from Nissan. Front pump assembly, we're going to rebuild the pump. We can save that. The pump bushing inside the pump has to be replaced. And then also we're going to need to replace the radiator. We'll do the updated radiator along with the radiator hoses. And also there was one front driveline bolt that has to be replaced as well. So we'll flush out the cooler lines, get all the debris out of there, replace the radiator, rebuild the transmission, replace the torque converter, and that'll come with a 5-year, 100,000 mile warranty, and that covers all parts and labor 100%. And shoot this video, email it to you shortly here along with a worn and damaged written estimate, and then I'll be talking to you shortly. There you have it.